Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of disconnecting Instagram from Facebook. If you want to separate the two accounts or no longer wish to have them linked, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Look for the familiar icon resembling a camera and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're inside Instagram, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile. Step 3. Now, in the top right corner of the profile screen, you'll notice 3 stacked lines. Tap on these lines to reveal a menu with various options. Step 4. From the options presented, tap on Settings and Privacy. It's usually located towards the bottom of the menu. Step 5. In the Settings and Privacy section, look for Account Center and tap on it. This will take you to the Accounts Management page. Step 6. Within the Account Center, tap on Accounts. This section allows you to manage your connected accounts. Step 7. Now, find your Instagram account listed among the connected accounts. Once you've located it, tap on Remove to disconnect it from Facebook. Please note that if your Instagram and Facebook accounts share the same password, you'll need to change both of them to ensure complete disconnection. By following these steps, you can easily disconnect Instagram from Facebook, giving you more control over your accounts and online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.